Hey everyone and welcome back. Is Otter.ai leaving gaps in your transcripts or cutting off in the middle? Let me show you how to fix missing parts step by step. First, check your recording method using NoteTaker for online meetings captures the internal audio stream directly, giving cleaner results than manual recording. If you are using Chrome, there is an experimental feature that causes problems. Type Chrome://flags in the address bar, search for echo cancellation, then disable it, and relaunch. This fixes a known issue where only your voice is recorded and others are missing. Second, check if your conversation exceeds the free plan limit. The free plan caps each recording at 30 minutes. If your meeting is longer, upgrade to Pro or use NoteTaker, which avoids this cap. Third, check Otter status page. If the platform is having processing delays, your transcript may be stuck. Wait a few hours and check again. If recording is stuck, you can record audio separately with another app, then import the file into Otter later. And that's it. Clean audio, the right recording method, and checking platform status will fix most missing parts. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.